California's known wildfires season all too well, right? Especially in peak summer. But what's up with the names we give these fires? Have you thought about that? How do they get started? Thought we'd check it out in tonight's The Answer.
Whether it's the Corral Fire, the Pay Fire, or the French Fire, California names its wildfires, as do other states. But how do wildfires get their names? It might sound dull and boring, but fires are typically named after a reference to a geographic location. At the scene, a fire official or dispatcher generally names the fire based on the first idea that might come up. This could be a landmark, nearby geography, or even an event significant to the area. The National Interagency Fire Center says simplicity and relevance is also key when naming wildfires. Using the name of a fire from past years, that's okay, just as long as it's not a catastrophic one and is no more than 55 characters long. While most fires are contained with their names hardly known, some names have become far more significant. Only time will tell this fire season which name we'll be seeing and hearing next in the headlines. And that's The Answer.